Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here. So today's video is on how to use Shopify's inbuilt AI to create awesome product descriptions. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, please do all the good stuff, subscribe, like. We are kind of a new channel, so it really helps out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to my Shopify backend, which is what you see here. So I'm just going to select a product now. If you are importing from AliExpress or if you are using Deezers or any other app, CJ or whatever, that's okay. Now, as you know, the product description, the product title is really very average. So let me select a product here. So let's just do this first product. I'm just going to select the product. Now, this is the title. Straight from AliExpress. As you can see, it's pretty messed up. So it says 2023 baby tights, blah blah blah. Now Shopify still does not have an AI tool to fix up this product title. So this is something that you will have to do on your own. So just for this video, I'm just going to quickly give a name for this. So let's just say this is a fitness leggings. Okay. And now we come to the fun part. The fun part is you will see something like this product description imported straight from AliExpress. So the good thing is we're going to use the AI tool to convert this very messy, which does not really make any sense, kind of a product description into a cool product description written by AI. So it's very simple and very easy. First thing that I do is I remove this origin mainland China. So let's just remove this. And this Guangdong as well. Okay, the rest we're just gonna keep this the way it is. Okay, the next step you will do is just select all. Okay, and then here you see these little two dots. Now this is the AI tool that Shopify has. So click on this, the drop down, and then it'll give you three options: rephrase, extend, simplify. Just click on rephrase. That's what I do. So rephrase, and now you can see it is already has created a beautiful product description. You have the option here to keep the tone persuasive, which I like because this is a product description. So you are kind of persuading your customers to buy the product, right? But then if you click this, you have some other options as well: expert, custom, daring, playful. Okay, just keep persuasive, which is good. You can also give some special instructions. So if you want an emoji, you can put in, you can give instruction like give emoji. If you want some bullet points, you can write that as well. But for this video, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. So here you can see keep. So let's just keep it. Okay. And now you see that very messy product description has been turned into a very beautiful product description, which is, it says luxurious Alexis white cotton tight for babies and kids from 06 blah blah blah, breathable and sweat absorbing material guarantee. So this is really awesome. If you're not happy with this and you want to kind of mess around with this as well, you just select this again, and then you can again further, if you want to extend it, you can extend it, or but right now I'm just going to keep it. What I'll do is I will just give it a bit of a space. So I'll just create a bit of a space between the text, and I think I'm pretty happy with this. Luxurious Alexis white cotton, and you can see it's beautiful. I'm just going to save this, and let's just quickly have a look as to how it's going to look in my store. So I just click on view and I scroll down, and here you see it's given me a nice product description from that messy one that you have in AliExpress. So luxurious Alexis white cotton, it's great. So this is the most easiest way of doing product description using the Shopify AI. For your benefit, I'll just do one more quick one. Okay, so I already have. So let's just select this product. So again, you can see here you got the messy product description. So this one you will have to do it by yourself. So again, I'm just gonna write active wear leggings. Okay, and then again, just select all. If you see mainland China, Guangdong, just remove that. Then select all. Click on this. Refresh, extend, simplify. So I like to do refresh. So just do refresh. That's it. It's now doing its magic. Keep it, and you can see pretty good. Just give some space. So let's just give one space here, one space here, and then save. And voila, you've got a very nice product description which is made from that really weird text from AliExpress. Let's have a quick look. And you can see introducing Craze Yoga's active legging, blah blah blah. Pretty good. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, really appreciate a subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. Take care and have a nice day, guys. Bye.